Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock passive income with your first ebook in 2026 step by step. So whether you want extra income or you want to turn your knowledge into a digital product, this beginner guide will walk you through everything like from idea to publishing. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in your first step, you need to pick a profitable ebook topic. You need to choose a topic that people are already searching for. It can be relating to online business, fitness or diet guides, productivity tips, tutorial and how-tos or any kind of personal finance. You need to pick something that you know well. The expertise make your writing easier and more valuable. Once you have done that, you need to start creating your ebook structure. For that, you need to open a blank document and outline. For this purpose, you can either use canva.com or you can also use the Microsoft Word, and you can do it there. Now, inside Canva, you can just look for the option of ebook. Here, you can select any of the templates, then click on the option of customize. So here on the blank document, you need to outline the title, the 5 to 7 main chapters, your short intro and conclusion, action and the steps or the tips. A clear structure makes the writing fast and it also helps the reader follow easily. Now you can use the Google Docs, Word or Canva in order to write your content. Canva is great for designing. It is going to design the clean layouts with images, icons, which are give you perfect formatting. As you can see, you can create this type of book in Canva. Now once you have created your book as per the outline that you have decided, simply click on the option of share on the top right hand corner, click on the option of download and download the PNG format of this particular ebook. Now you need to choose a platform that is beginner friendly where you can upload this ebook and start selling. For this purpose, you can use Gumroad, Payhip, Whoop, Amazon Kindle. You can upload the PDF, set a price for it, add the description, add the preview pages, and then you just have to simply keep the selling price of this ebook between $5 to $25 depending on the niche and the value. Now is the time for you to promote this link. You can use any of the social media platforms like Instagram, Threads, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest. You just have to start promoting this particular ebook and get the sales. So this way you can unlock the passive income with your first ebook in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.